So what is, for people that are watching this, what is instructional design? Let's just lay that out in simple terms. Like you have I thought you did a really nice video out at our instructional design page at our website. And it does a nice job of that. So if you could just sort of reiterate that particular little presentation, would be helpful for those people that have heard about it, but they really need to know exactly what's going on, because I've always thought that instructional design seems to be the unsung hero. Arguably, it's the most important thing to create a great course, but it oddly is the thing that people know the least about. So, what is instructional design in the context of the work that we do today, Matt?
Mhm. So I'd say, instructional design, it's all about creating experiences that are achieving some kind of learning outcome, right? So
Right.
like we use the model ADDIE. So you analyze, design, develop, implement, evaluate. A big part of instructional design is that A, the analyze, figuring out. A lot of times you have learners, you have students, you have people basically you trying to get information into their head, experiences that they can go through so that they can do something. There's some kind of desired outcome at the end of that learning journey. And that analysis up front is really kind of where you define that. Because I think a lot of people can design, they can build stuff, a lot of people can develop it and then implement it. But if without that analysis, that's where really the kind of the that's the critical piece. And that's what makes instructional design more than just building content. It makes it more of the science behind,
Mhm.
actually changing behaviors, actually
So what
accomplishing
so what
things.